Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making easy Cajun butter chicken thighs. Guys, this is one of my quick and simple chicken recipes, ready in an instant without marinating. It's an ideal dinner recipe for busy families because it's so easy. You just toss in the oven in the busiest days. You are going to love this chicken recipe, guys. It's so flavorful, crispy, incredibly juicy, and delicious. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need 4 chicken thighs, salt, red pepper flakes. You'll also need white pepper. You'll also need garlic and pepper seasoning and Cajun spice. So let's get started. We are going to combine all the seasonings in a small bowl. Add salt along with white pepper. Toss in garlic and pepper and Cajun seasoning. Mix well to combine. Then we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle on the chicken on both sides. This seasoning, guys, has a warm smoky aroma with a warm mild heat that warms up your tongue, and it's not that spicy, guys. Lightly coat a baking pan with a cooking spray, then place the chicken spaced lightly apart. Then we're gonna place dollops of butter on each piece. I have the oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna pop the chicken into the oven and let it bake for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna pull it out at 20 minutes mark. Sprinkle red pepper flakes, pour the juices on the skin of the chicken, and put it back in the oven to continue to cook for another 15 minutes until it's cooked through and golden brown. The chicken is done. We're gonna garnish it with parsley. Guys, it smells so good in here. There you have it, guys. Easy Cajun butter chicken thighs. Enjoy with a delicious side like mashed potatoes, crispy roasted potatoes, or a simple salad. I have a good recipe for creamy mashed potatoes. I will leave the link somewhere up here, guys. I know it will go well with this chicken recipe. Go and check it out. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload my yummy recipes. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.